Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve this a radical equation. Square root of 3x minus 2 plus square root of 2 equal square root of 32. Answer: square root of 3x minus 2 plus square root of 2 equal square root of 32. Square root of 3x minus 2 equal square root of 32 minus square root of 2. Squaring on both sides, then we get square root of 3x minus 2 whole square equal square root of 32 minus square root of 2 whole square. A minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we get 3x minus 2 equal root 32 whole square minus 2 into root 32 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square equal 32 minus 2 root 32 into 2 64 plus 2 equal 32 minus 2 into root 64 equal 8 plus 2 equal 32 plus 2 minus 2 into 8 equals 16 equal 34 minus 16 equal 18. Then 3x minus 2 equal 18. 3x equal 18 plus 2. 3x equal 20. X equal 20 divided by 3. Thus, our answer x equal 20 divided by 3.